What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a farm hack that's very important, especially if you raise pigs. All right, guys, what's up? Hey, I'm going to show you guys cutting up this watermelon. Then I'm going to walk over there to the pigs, and I got a big pig. She's right there by Jessie, and I'm going to try to measure her. That's the farm hack. You're going to measure how to weigh your pigs with the tape measure. Very simple to do if your pigs will let you do it. The last year my pigs would not let me do this, but this year I'm pretty sure she's gonna let me do it. So I'm gonna show you guys doing it, because if she lets me do it, I want to show you guys how to do it. So let's go do it. First, let's cut this watermelon up, and then we'll walk over there and we'll see if we can do it. Okay, before she gets the watermelon, I'm going to tell you real fast on how to do this. She's going crazy. She smells it. Okay, what you're going to do first, you're going to get you one of these little tape measures here that they use for clothing and stuff. I don't know. But what you're going to do is you're going to measure the girth around her chest, and then the length from the back of her butt by her tail all the way up to behind her ears. You'll take the girth times the length, and then you'll divide that by 400, and that will get you very close. I did this 2 or 3 years ago on a show pig, and we were within 5 pounds, and that was actually a day or two. We waited a day or two after I tape measure, so it's probably like it's right there. This works awesome. I know this is a great farm hack to know, because I don't know anyone who has a scale other than the ag place at school. And I was raising a pig for my niece, and they brought a scale over. That's the only way I was able to actually weigh them until we took them to the processor. And last year I didn't get to weigh them because they were just so wild. I couldn't get in there. It cost me. They were underweight, and that's partly because I should have figured out how to weigh them before I took them. I suck at guessing the weight, so this is the best way to do it. So I'm going to show you how to do it right now. You gonna let me do it? She's 42 girth. She's not wanting me to do this. She's 42 girth. That's it. 42 girth and 48 long. So let's see what that is. Them other two pigs are going crazy back there. They want that watermelon. I'm not gonna, they got some watermelon last time and she really didn't get a whole lot, so I'm gonna let her have it all. Okay, I'll throw in one piece. That way you guys don't beat me up in the comment section. Look, you little crybabies. You got some too. Uh-oh. Oh no, Jesse's trying to get some watermelon. They're going at it over there. Let me get this up. It's getting dark on me. I gotta hurry up and do this. Let's see here. 42 inches girth, so you do 42 by 42. 42 times 42. And the 48th was the length times 48. And then you divide that by 400. So divide by 400. 200 and, oh, where's it at? Right there it is. 212 pounds. I said 225, so I'm happy with that. Real happy with that because we're keeping her for another, at least till the end of October. So I'm keeping her for another like 2 months. So that's good. And they put, after about 4 months of maturity, they put on about 2 pounds a day. So she's gonna put on another 80 pounds maybe by the time we take her to the butcher. And that's good because I wanna take her, I usually try to get between 225 and 250, but I'm always short. This year, I'm wanting to get over 250. I want to get some big pork chops. I'm wanting to save some of the pork belly so I can make my own bacon. You guys will like that. Bacon's awesome. You guys know that. So the bigger the better. Now these two, I don't think they'll let me get in there and tape them, but I haven't gave her any grain today or Jessie because I want her to be nice and hungry and calm so I could measure her, and it worked out perfect. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to give Jessie and pork chop or bacon, I don't know which one she is, pork loin, some grain because they need it, they're hungry, and that watermelon is just a little treat or a little trick for them. So let's go fill this feed. Look who's coming over here to eat. Oh, Jesse, you hungry, buddy? Come on, come on, come on. Jesse wants to be camera shy over there. He's in the wrong spot to eat. He'll figure it out. Oh, here he comes. Look, look. Look at him. Jesse, what are you doing? Oh, yeah, really? You really? You're hungry now, huh? There he goes. All right, get a little footage of him now. What? What's up, bud? I'll leave old Jesse alone. It's getting dark out here. Yeah, we're guessing. My friend looked at Jesse today. He's big into cattle and stuff. He has about 30 head or so at his house, and he's guessing Jesse to be around 500 pounds or so. So he's right on schedule, considering that he was a sickling when we got him. We saved his life. Yeah, a lot of you guys probably know that story, but he's doing awesome. So right on schedule, 500 pounds, pretty big. So I'm happy like I said, with this pig being 212 pounds, that's perfect. She's ahead of schedule. She's actually growing really great on the feed that you just seen me give Jessie. These two little girls aren't growing near as fast. They ripped off that feeder lid on the bottom, so I got to rethink this and put better security. I got to rethink this and put a little bit better lid on there, a little bit more secure. But the top lid is fine, perfect. Everything's going good. This pig is still pigging out. Let's look at her. What's up, Miss Piggy? You hungry? That's awesome, isn't it? She's one happy piglet. Not even a piglet, she's one happy pig. Okay, I'll leave her alone. She's chowing down there. Hey guys, I'm gonna get off here. If you like this video, don't forget, smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hey, if you get a chance, share some of my videos. I really do appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.